the lazy and chill out weekend masks recipes. If you hate the dryness of your skin but you just feel a little bit too lazy to create complicated stuff, no worries, I got you. These easy face mask recipes are perfect for your laid back weekend and glow time at home. I have two mask recipes for you, and they are very simple to make. Mostly you just need to throw two ingredients, mix them in a bowl, put the paste on your face for 15 minutes, relax and wash it with water, and boom, you got a nice glowing, hydrated, nourished skin, more than you stepped into before. So I have two recipes for you. First one is a shea butter face mask. And shea butter, I guess a lot of you know, is very rich with minerals and vitamin, and it's really nourishing the skin without blocking your pores. All you need is 1 tablespoon of shea. It looks like that. When your hands are clean, you can take it in your hands, grab it in your hands and melt it a little bit. It will melt very quickly with the temperature of your hand. Throw it in a bowl. And then we add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. That's it. That's your mask, almost. So you're gonna mix it together. And like I said, the shea is melting pretty instantly. And then you have like this thick paste. So looks like that, if you can see. You're on a clean face, you apply it for 15 minutes, lay down, wash it easily with water and dry with a towel, and you have a nice clear canvas. That was one. Super easy, right? Now, number 2 is rose water and honey face mask. Rose is this beautiful feminine flower that is just simply loving to your skin. It gives hydration like a gallon of water, and when I use it, I feel really like this uplifting of the skin and the soul. So it's super nice. The rose water are amazing. Honey is very disinfective, and it has a lot of benefit of preserving hydration and nourishment, and I'm talking about what I like to use is like an organic real honey, you know, from the beekeeper, and not like this processive one from the supermarket. Anyway, we have here, just a moment, the rose water. So I'll take 3 spoons of these, 3 tablespoons of these, 1, 2, 3, with 1 tablespoon of honey. So, and again, same thing, you mix it together. This one is much more less thicker than the honey, than the shea butter one. Yeah, you apply it on the clean face and relax for 15 to 20 minutes, and again rinse with water and everything. Now, do face masks can help you with dry skin? Yes, they do. If you use it like once a week, if you have time, provide this nourishment and hydration in between treatments, it's gonna do you good in the time. But I always recommend never neglect your professional facials, because they will give you the real boost. And these masks, these super easy masks, are great to use in the weekend in between when you don't feel like making complicated stuff. You do one of these, you relax and you glow. If you want, there are many more recipes in the blog, which I will link below. And come over for a real good treatment of joy and receiving and pampering and the whole shebang.